Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning about the sweep feature by designing this part. So let's start a new part file and click OK. To create a sweep, you need two things. The first is a profile and the second is your part. So let's create our profile. We'll select the right plane, sketch. Let's draw a circle. And let's add a dimension of 1. Then we would accept that sketch. So that is our profile. So the next thing we are going to do is draw our part. So select the front plane. So I'm just going to move it this way. So you see the front plane is going through the center of our circle. So we'll draw a sketch. Number 2. So I'm number 2 that. So now let's draw a line, kind of like an S shape. So just draw a line, something like this. Something like that. So the next thing we will do is add our dimension. So the bottom, so we'll start at the bottom. We'll give this dimension of a 6. We would give this dimension of a 3. And we can give this a 3. And this also a 3. And this dimension is a 5. So we have a fully defined sketch. But in order to create your sweep, you can't have sharp edges like that. So the next thing we can do is add a fillet. And our fillet size is going to be 1. And we'll select all 4 corners. And we'll click OK. So now we have a fully defined sketch. We'll accept that and exit out. So press escape to make sure nothing is selected. So to create your sweep feature, come to this feature tab, sweep bus, sketch profile. We will select first sketch, the profile, the part. We'll select that line. And you add some advanced option down here. But for this example, we're just going to leave it at that. And you click OK. And that is how you create a sweep. It's very simple. Thank you. And make sure you keep this part, save it, because in the next lecture, we are going to be using this as an example to create the sweep cut. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.